This is Kinco's new integrated motor, iSMK series. With highly integrated motor, driver, encoder, and brake. The main frequency is increased by 240% with a high computing power platform, 8K position loop, and 16K speed loop. It supports CAN open, Modbus RTU, EtherCAT, and multiple communications. Standard rating is at IP65, and optional at IP67. Designed for harsh environments, the standard operating temperature is -20°C, and an optional -40°C. Various protections to prevent overspeed, overvoltage, short circuit, and overtemperature. The self-tuning platform helps with adaptive adjustment. Meanwhile, the adaptive notch filter and S-curve control the vibrancy and noise, ensuring stability. Meets the standard of CE certificate, RoHS 2.0, and UL certificate. Saving spaces with extreme design of the 200-watt, 400-watt, and 750-watt models. On-site installation, free your cabinet. (100-watt, 200-watt, 400-watt, and 750-watt is in your choice. Kinco, iSMK series integrated motor.